Hi guys, it's Jen with a quick video. While I use my drill driver every day, I've actually never used it with a side handle, and I was going to do a video with a specialized drill bit where I knew there'd be a lot of twisting and I didn't want to hurt my wrist, so I figured it would probably be a good idea if I installed it. So I got out my side handle, got out the trusty instructions that go with it, and the only thing it says as far as installation is side handle must be tightened sufficiently to resist the twisting action of the tool if the accessory binds or stalls. Okay, that is lovely and fine and dandy, but how do you install it? So I was smart enough to figure out, okay, this obviously slips and rests on that collar, and here's the confession part. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I didn't know, and I think I'm pretty handy and relatively intelligent, somebody else is going to pick this up and not be able to follow these instructions either. So when I first put this on, the bolt actually protruded a little bit, so I figured, okay, you must get like a crescent wrench or something out and tighten it. So I'm trying to tighten it, and it was going nowhere. It just was spinning around. I'm like, well, that can't be right. So then I looked at it, and I'm like, I wonder what happens if you twist this. And lo and behold, when you turn the handle, this tightens. So like I said, I'm doing this to save you 10 minutes of time because you might get out a crescent wrench. Not everybody picks up a tool and instinctively knows how to use it. Like I said, if I didn't know, I know there's somebody out there that is trying to use their side handle and not knowing how to attach it either. So DeWalt, I love you. Sometimes your instructions are pretty lame though. Please put it in there for people that don't pick up things and automatically know what to do. So yeah, that's all you do. You tighten the handle like that, and this goes on there. So I hope that's helpful. I'm sorry I'm a little angry. I was frustrated with the directions because I think they could be clearer. So anyway, now I'm good to go, and I hope that helps. If you didn't know how to do this either and you're with me, because I really feel stupid admitting this, but I also think that I need to be real in my videos, please leave a comment. And please watch my other videos where I'm a lot nicer and a lot better mood, okay? Hope that helps. Take care.